So this is Samantha Swindle doing lab 10, the solar lab one. So my idea is that I am going to see if, since it's cold and it's not really warm, if I can make something to prevent water from freezing. I'm mixing this paint up. It's left over from my daughter's bedroom. It's black chalkboard paint, but it'll do. I also have white as a primer, just to kind of make sure it's all evenly coated. It's really cold outside. It's like 28 degrees right now. It's very cold. I'm not a fan of the cold, but it'll be okay. Still mixing. I couldn't find a regular paint stirrer. Like, I apparently don't have any anymore. So this is just gonna have to do. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video, flip it around so you can see what I'm going to use. And I'm just gonna kind of do a light coat of this primer. Just to kind of give me an even surface to work with. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do this all over, and I'm gonna just do it without having to hold my phone because I don't have a kickstand. Okay, so now that I've got this coat of primer on, it's not all even, but it's a base coat, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to take this black and brush it all over. And I'm probably going to do several layers to make sure it's really dark. Just for, thorough level. So a lot of the rest of this video is just gonna have to be done in selfie and me turning the camera due to the lack of me having a kickstand anymore, because the device I used to record on has since died. I don't know what is in my hair. There's a fuzzy. Hang on. Okay. I've gotten the bottom, I don't know if you can tell, level done. And I'm just going back over, just trying to make sure it's good and even for this, because if it's not even, it won't have even coats of non-frozenness. Real technical terms I'm going here. It won't have even heat distribution. That's the words I was looking for. Okay, so this is all I'm going to put in of me painting, because this is really hard to do with one hand. But I'll show you the finished product. So the initial temperature of the water is 72.9 on both, because they've been in the same places. And then I'm going to put them outside and check the temperatures again after I get back from my doctor's appointment. So the initial temperature of the waters were 72.9. And this is me, and this is my oven. I wrapped that box that I painted black in tin foil. And I'm just putting one in there, and then my control is going to just be sitting in the sun next to it. And I'll be back in a few hours to check. Okay, so it's been like 6 hours. I'm trying to hold my phone between my legs. This is the one that was in the box, the oven. .6 and holding. And then my control .64. So the oven did keep it a few degrees